Okay, I didn't see my other She Ratchet video, and that was not epic, so I have to redo it. Oh my God, who let this come out the house looking like that? She is doing the most. She is doing the most. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. Get from. I'm gonna take this as a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mr. A baby boy in a cane with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the in the middle of the floor. No shoe. Where's up? Have to get cute today. I put my G for a boost today. I have to keep it look good cause my baby just baby hooked the cute shoes today. Yeah, baby, new shoes today. Shot support check 2 days. Got my tracks yesterday. Girl, this is good today. Gon' be fit. Move. Get out my way to fit. I got my boots. Got a brand new piece. Brand new tag. Right under $5 sweet plus tax. You see why I'm straight up. How this cake along. Thinking that you better than me. What do you think? Whatever, she alone. My number. Boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Shh, be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. Let me turn around. Let me see what video you're talking. Yeah, girl. You was cute. Okay, girl. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all brown. Give her. Just have a picture. Got it. I put this little girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I am too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch that girl in her face. I just cannot stand her. She is so too fake. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me God. Then we party. Yes, I am the baddest. She can't have this boo-boo song. Because 2 chains is my future, baby. No hurry, tie my jersey just so. Jordan hands match my personality. Out, team dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Team kidnap bitches. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on I'm with Team Flip, Team Crisp. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Badgy, Team with your man. And if you got a lot of money, it's Team feedback with you sus. I mean, you might as well spend on me. Cause you ain't looking like nothing. You is not looking like that. I'm doing my job. What you supposed to do? You ain't even doing nothing right, girl. Nothing you might supposed to spend on me. Cause you just ugly. You just ratchet. She's ratchet. What do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. I'm gonna take this, have a picture. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Play back. Now with them shoes on. I just want to punch her in her face. This doesn't make no sense. I stand her. Ooh, she too fast. She just needs to stop. Why should she get leopard skins? Because her hair is the jungle, so she wants to get leopard skins? No, she needs to stop. She is doing too much. She just needs to go home and switch the outfit and get that sewing out and get a flat iron and get a perm. Because she is not cute and this is unnecessary. This is unnecessary. That is Wendy. No, that's not even Wendy Williams Ratchet. That is just Ratchet. That's Ratchet. That is so Ratchet. That's just Ratchet. That's Lizzie Lohan Ratchet. She needs to go home. Don't come out the house looking like that. Watch what you wear, people.